Today, we're going to show you how to install your paint protection film for your rocker panel. To get started, you will need a squeegee, utility knife, soapy water solution, a towel, and a professional heat gun or hair dryer. Now, let's unbox your product. First, thoroughly clean and dry the intended surface. Next, pre-cut the film 1.5 inches larger than the intended area. Then, spray your soapy water solution on both the film as well as the surface of the vehicle in the intended area of placement. Let's lock down the film over the intended area. Then, using the squeegee, smooth out film on the intended area from the center outwards. Then, using the utility knife, trim all excess film. Finally, use the hair dryer or the industrial heat gun to help adhere the film to the surface. Thanks for watching.